Hey guys, today I'll show you how to build a scrollable animation website like this yourself without knowing a single line of code inside Antigravity. Okay, to create a website like something which I've showed you in the demo, we will need a video for that. So for now, I have generated some assets using Nano Banana. First, I created a start frame and an end frame and created this video. So using this video, we are gonna create that animated website. So for that, we need to first create a new folder, and in this new folder, we need to this should be our exact format of the new folder. We create a new folder, and this we create subfolders and some files. So first, we need to give it something called a skill.md file. If you know Cloud Code, where we have like some Cloud skills, right? In the same way, we need to create a skill.md file in the Antigravity as well, and give it a detail on what the skill is about. In this skill is about how to take that video and turn it into frames, and using those frames we will be creating the website. So if you see here, I have given it this skill.md file. Then I also given it the video of the animation we are going to use. So it is going to convert this video into some those frames and store it in this assets.frames. Now I'm going to give it a prompt which I'll link in our in the video's description if you want to check it out. So I have given it this detailed prompt based on which it is just instruction it to how to use the skill and how the website should be on all those details. Once I give it, it is going to think and since we are in a planning mode, it can come up with a plan. Let me quickly explain about something. So here we have two options, plan mode and fast. In the plan mode, it first understands our request, then comes up with a plan and comes up with an implementation plan, then ask us for the permission to proceed. And if we select the fast, it directly going to jump into creating. As you see here, it has come up with the implementation plan. Here it has given us all the detail like proposed changes, assets, processing phases, component engineering, all these details. Which if you want to, you can read it and do some changes. If you don't want, then you can directly proceed with this plan itself. Now I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to proceed with it. If you see here, we have two options like ask every time or always run, right? So I kept it as ask every time, so I can always see what kind of code it is running in the terminal. If you want, you can just keep it as run every time, so it won't ask for your permission. But I recommend you keep it as ask every time. So it's done building. Now let's see how the website looks. So this is what it came up with. So it's a very generic website and it needs a lot of work, but with a single prompt, this is what it came up with. Now we can just use this as a base website and ask it to do some changes and it will be able to do it. Let's say with this navbar, it's kind of blended, right? Now let's ask it to change it like so that it does not blend with the phone. Like, so let me ask it. This is a simple request. I'm just asking it to change the color of the text. But let's see what it comes up with. So it's done with this. Let's see. As you can see, it has done the changes which we have requested. Though this website needs a lot of changes, but as a version 1, this looks good enough. Now imagine this is done with a single prompt. Now you don't even need to know coding to do build website. If you just have something tools like Antigravity or Cloud Code, where you just need to give out your request and it will be able to build out the whole website. As I explained before, we have this planning section where you can have a chat with this bot here, explaining all your requirements, do the changes, do some discussions to about how the website should look or how the application should look and all of that. And once you go through this, it will give you some implementation plan. After that, if you everything is good, you just proceed with it, and it will take care of all the coding and all the everything else. You just need to give out your idea to it and discuss with it to do some improvements, and that's it. This is what it came up with, by where I simply told it to build a scrollable animation website with the video I provided and what language of code it needs to do. So that's how we create a website using Antigravity. With tools like Antigravity and Cloud Code, we just need to ask and just describe ideas to the AI, and it will come up with the whole file structure and the plan of implementation and everything. And you just need to proceed with it, and it will come up with the whole website on its own. You just need to give it the idea and what kind of output you want. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.